Hi, my name is Morgan Bresky. I'm from Long Island, New York. I went to undergrad at University at Buffalo, and then I went to physical therapy school at Studio Downstate Medical Center, and I am a physical therapist with Metro. The favorite part about being a physical therapist, I have to say, is the one-on-one time with the patients. You really get to know them, and then work with them through the whole entire process of their rehabilitation. It's very rewarding seeing them come out and tell you, I guess, I have no pain anymore, or I can walk now without a walker, I can walk with a cane or without anything at all. So it's really nice to go home every day with a smile on my face. When a patient tells me, that they're feeling much better, they've reached all their goals, and we decide together that it's time to be discharged, it's a great feeling. I know my work is done, their work is done in terms of being here, coming here and working through the process. And I get to go home, feeling like I did something, I accomplished something, which not a lot of other professions get to say every day. Metro is a great company, it's huge, and we offer a lot of different services from orthopedics, neurologic, pediatrics, geriatrics, aquatic therapy. So I think that sets Metro apart a lot from other companies, especially on Long Island.